mawasay din sa ano. Sir, before po, Sir Matt, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Bilang isa sa mga masugid na nakasuporta ang bumbero ng Pilipinas Party List. Kami po ay nagsagawa ng isang joint resolution. Kayo din po, mula po sa panig po ng Alyansa Bantay Kapayapaan at Demokrasya, hinahalian po natin ang mga leader ng iba't ibang grupo pa, mga volunteers, fire brigades, para po sa isang memorandum joint resolution signing po ngayong umaga. Basahin ko lamang po ang nilalaman nito. I-support ang tunay na ADP Party List Joint Resolution 4th of October 2024. isa sa mga masugid na nakasuporta ng ang bumbero ng Pilipinas Party List. Kami po ay nagsagawa ng isang joint resolution. Ngayon din po, mula po sa panig po ng Alyansa Bantay Kapayapaan at Demokrasya, inaanyayahan po natin ang mga leader ng iba't ibang grupo pa, mga volunteers, fire brigades, para po sa isang memorandum joint resolution signing po ngayong umaga. Basahin ko lamang po ang nilalaman nito. We support ang tunay na ABP Party List Joint Resolution 4th of October 2024, strongly endorsing and supporting ang bumbero ng Pilipinas Party List by various officers, leaders, and members from different coalitions, alliances, multi-sectoral groups, and people's organizations in the upcoming May 12, 2025 national and local elections for NFE. Whereas, Section 5, Article 6 of the 1987 Constitution of the Philippines states that the House of Representatives shall be composed of not more than 250 members unless otherwise fixed by law, and on the basis of a uniform and progressive ratio. And those who, as provided by law, shall be elected through a party list system of registered national, regional, and sectoral parties of organizations. Whereas, the Republic Act number 7491, also known as the Party List System Act, provided for the election of party list representatives through the election or through the party system to promote proportional representation to the House of Representatives, which will enable Filipino citizens belonging to the marginalized and underrepresented sectors, organizations, and parties, and who lack well-defined political constituency, but who could contribute to the formulation and enactment of appropriate legislation that will benefit the nation as a whole. Whereas the Republic Act number 9514, also known as the Fire Code of the Philippines of 2008, and its IRR provided the comprehensive regulation and welfare of fire brigades, fire volunteer organizations, fire safety practitioners, and fire safety enforcers. And whereas currently no representation, wala pong representation sa Congress to push for the welfare and provide support among the firefighters, fire volunteers, and their families and other related organizations in the community, which shall equip and empower them in preventing loss of life and property, provide fire safety awareness to the public, social benefits, and other related programs. Whereas, ang bumbero ng Pilipinas, ang tunay na bumbero ng Pilipinas ABP Party List was duly accredited and registered in the party selection this 2025 national and local elections, and primarily focuses on initiating reforms and crafting bills to improve the state of firefighters, fire volunteers, their families, and other related organizations and people's organizations in the Philippines. Now, therefore, be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved by the various officers, leaders, and members from the different coalition, alliances, multi-sectoral organization or groups, and people's organization in a meeting duly assembled, that a joint resolution is strongly endorsing and supporting ang tunay na bumbero ng Pilipinas ABP Party List in the upcoming May 12, 2025 national and local elections be approved. Approved and adopted on 4th day of October 2024 here in Manila, Philippines. Ito po ay papangunahan ko po bilang tagapanguna at tagapagsalita ng Abakada RJ Villena po sa paglagta kasama po ng iba't ibang leader ng alyansa at iba't iba pong sumusuporta sa ang tunay na ang bumbero ng Pilipinas Party List. Inayayahan ko rin po mga kasamahan sa media at gayon din po ang iba pong mga sectoral groups upang saksihan ito. Mga kasama, tara po, simulan na po natin ang paglagda. Okay ba yung pan? Next day. Thank you.